guys, welcome back to the channel. I know we've had a little lapse in videos, but I don't want to just randomly put up content that isn't really content, you know what I mean? And I don't want to recycle old videos 100 times and bore you guys to death with it. So what are we doing today? Today, the donor is on the slab. That's right. So this is part one of tearing down the Blue Oyster. So here we go, fellas and ladies. Well, there it is. Time to start taking this whole car apart so that we can tear down the 302, put a new cam in it, some heads, re-gasket the whole thing, new timing chain, new oil pump, all the good stuff. We're going to paint it up, make it look real good. We're going to pull the T5 out, rebuild that as well. And that's the main project for the winter, is get the drivetrain out of this and get it prepared over the winter months so that in the spring we can just concentrate on tearing apart the 4-cylinder car, pressure washing everything, then swapping the harnesses from the 88 to the 91, and take it one step at a time that way. So the lighting sucks in this garage. Sorry about that. We haven't really taken anything off the car at all, except for when we pulled the passenger seat out, as you know, to make that office chair, because obviously these seats aren't even worth saving, sadly. And to all you people that are getting mad, I know it doesn't show it well, but the whole roof is like that. Don't ask me what kind of bodywork it is, but yeah. So this is definitely a parts car. There's nothing to feel bad about here, I promise you guys. We're having like extreme unusual weather. This is the first weekend of October, and all the windows are open on the house. I'm outside in nothing more than a sweatshirt. Neighbor over there is wearing shorts, you know what I mean? So we actually have the door open at this time of year. Usually the door is sealed up and closed for the season. So first things first, we're going to get this thing up on 4 jack stands and we're going to start pulling it apart. Well, as you guys can see, we have her up in the air, all 4 wheels secured. I feel like I can get under there right now. I don't have to worry about this piece of crap falling on top of me. So what we're going to do next, I'm going to get the hood off. I'm going to get the front bumper and headlight assemblies and fog light bars off, because my cherry picker that I'm using, from experience, I know will not pull an engine out of a Fox without destroying the bumper. Now, I know that this thing isn't some kind of fine specimen or anything, but you never know what could happen. You know, a bad luck happened with the 91 LX. If ever I hit a deer or whatever, I needed a temporary replacement, I'm going to hang on to it unless someone really needs it or wants it and is willing to pay for it. But if not, I'm going to keep it as a spare. So we're going to get the bumper off so we have a little more room to work, get the hood off, and then we'll be able to start getting this bad boy out. So let's get back to work. We're going to put the ratchet on and take it off. Here, I will hold it for you. All you got to do is worry about taking it the bolt. We're letting it touch here because it's a parts car and we don't care. We wouldn't do that on our car.
Okay.
We'd have like a little towel or something.
Probably.
What's wrong?
I got it out, I think.
No.
Oh, no, I don't.
Look. Turn this.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I felt it come off, so I was like, okay.
Yeah, you won't need the ratchet anymore. You should be able to unscrew it with your hands now. Okay, don't let it fall. Now there's a bucket right there. Put the bolt in. Alright. Now we'll do the same thing on the other side.
Okay.
Take your time.
It's not problem. Oh, I got it.
Yeah, I know. Wrenching on rides can be annoying sometimes. Alright, now I got the hood, you don't have to worry about the hood. Now go and put your bolt back in the bucket. And then you can just put your ratchet on top of the other sockets. We're done with it for now.
Okay. Do I take this off?
Yep. Here, look. You gotta hold it firm. Now pull it off. No. Grab it with both hands if you have to. There you go. Put it in the number 10 spot. That can just stay there. Okay. Now, what I want you to do, pull this out. Okay? Now put it to the side. And then put it down. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this down loosely like that. Alright, now go on the other side, buddy. No, on the other side. This is where you're going to need your muscles. Alright, I want you to grab it carefully like that. Lift, we're going to go put it on the roof of the car, okay?
Okay.
Don't worry, if it's too heavy, just lean it down. It's not a big deal. I don't worry about scratching this paint. There we go.
Okay, that wasn't too bad. I thought we were supposed to lift it over the car, so I was like, oh no, I can't do that.
Alright. Well, now it looks like a parts car. We've got the front bumper cover removed. We've got the hood removed. The cowl, wiper arms, all the windshield trim, all the things that we want to keep, obviously. So right now what I'm going to do is I want to get the fog light bar off and I want to get the bumper reinforcement off. Then we're going to start working on the fenders. Well, as you guys know, I was planning on using I'm still planning on using the wiring harness bumper to bumper on this car on the 91. But I'm going to tell you something. Everywhere I turn, I'm running into janky things in the wiring harness. Like the fog lights are just directly plugged on both sides too. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that. Always things to watch out for. I mean, what can you expect? It's a 1988, and from what I can tell, it's been painted 3 times and taken apart 3 times. So I guess we're going to find more surprises as we go. Well, I just want to thank the previous owner for investing into my tool collection, because I just found this gear wrench in the front coil spring. So, you know, not that I needed it, but extra tools are always good tools. And yeah, I hope I don't get a copyright strike for listening to Ken's video in the background. Good job, by the way, HPR. And another one added to the gear wrench collection. Just getting the rad drained out. Coolant looks pretty good, actually, so that's one good sign. So we have the bumper removed, we have the bumper reinforcement removed, we have the bumper shocks removed, we got the radiator out, we got the clutch fan out, we got the shroud out, we got the cowl out, the wiper arms, all the windshield trim, and I don't want to bore you guys and gals too much in one video. So I guess this is where we're at. Next step is going to be the GT body kit and the fenders and the GT spoiler, mirrors. There's so much to come off of this car. It will literally be a shell. And even after looking at the radiator support, it's really clean. Do I need one? No, but I bet you someone does. So before this thing actually goes, I think I'm going to cut it off and either sell it or keep it in inventory in case something ever happens to my other car, or if I were to get another one down the road. These could all be good parts to have. All right, guys, well, there you go. There's another one in the books. I just want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you stay tuned for more to come on the channel. And on your way out, be sure to hit the like button and to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you'll know when I upload new videos. So anyway, we'll call part 1 of the teardown done, and we'll see you in part 2. Take care, everyone.